Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, we'll demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra right here if the AC blows hot on the driver's side when cold on the passenger side, what you need to check. First, we'll always guys recommend to check your climate control fuses. You need to open the hood and you have a fuse box right here. If you want to know guys, the climate control fuses, where they're located, we'll talk about that. But before, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So we had only a few cases where it was a bad climate control fuse. If you want to see where they're located, we'll have the video on our channel, climate control fuse location on GMC Sierra, check it out. But most of the times guys, it's that device right here. What is that device? This is known as a Blend Door Actuator. You have two of them, one on the driver, one on the passenger side. So it can adjust the temperature. It attaches to a flap and switches from hot to cold. On the inside guys, it just consists of plastic gears and a motor. Those gears usually crack, they wear out, it skips, or the motor quits working, and then it gets stuck in hot position. And when it's stuck in hot position, even though you adjust the temperature on the driver's side, it will still keep blowing hot. So most of the times will be a bad Blend Door Actuator. We've seen some last up to 300,000 miles, some failed at 7,000-8,000 miles. Very unpredictable. Another thing, if you want to know the symptoms of bad Blend Door Actuator, we have videos on our channels that will teach you all about that. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.